24 July 2021. Today again we are at Tilganga at Paspati, going to distribute food to poor and needy people. The person who has was Visitasi Dordela, director of Playful Cabling. The sponsor who donated are Chucky Family, New York, 121 USA dollar. Pema Norbo, New York, 121 USA dollar. Fuku Kipa, New York, 105. Fuku Galpo, New York, 101. Lucky Family, New York, 55. Tenzing Chodok, New York, 51. Sange Lamo and Tenji Chile family, New York, 57. Amatawa Lamo from Philadelphia, 50. Total USA dollar 652. Convert Nepali rupees 76,936. The expenses spent in food 286 people, 57,200. Water 4,900. Fruits 4,500. Yogurt 4,300. Transportation 6,000. Total amount is 76,900. Thank you all.